Video is for everyone who wants to learn step by step how to use all cream products and get a finish like this. I do not use any filters on my pictures or my videos, so what you're seeing is the real thing. So if you want to learn how to achieve this, keep on watching. I'm going to explain every step to you. Also, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get more informative videos like this. So I'm going to start off with this pack spray. This is basically a mist with a little bit of shimmer in it, but the shimmer is not like a glitter particle. It's a very beautiful one. Every product here is affordable. I'll leave everything linked down in the description box below so that even if I'm forgetting, you are getting the link. So then I'm using this primer. So my skin is very dry, so I like to hydrate it further. I will suggest if you have oily skin, do not go for this primer. It's quite thick. If you have oily skin, you can go for this primer rather. What I do is I double prime to get the perfect canvas ready for my foundation. So when I'm using a silicone primer, I make sure that I only am using it on the areas that I have open pores. This Lakme foundation, according to me, is one of the best foundations out in the market that is under 500 rupees. I love the coverage that it gives. It stays really long and it makes the skin look so nice. Also, I broke my favorite foundation brush. Anyway, I'm going with this blender, beauty blender. So my trick here to make your skin look like skin but yet have coverage is to apply foundation with sections. So do not apply the entire foundation at once like I am doing here. Just keep building it up at the places that you want more coverage. This way you are applying a controlled amount of foundation and also you're getting time to blend and nothing is looking patchy on your skin at all. Like you can see here, it's skin-like but it still has a coverage. I'm using this LA Girl concealer and the Sugar Concealer as of course my concealer. So this LA Girl one is a little darker than my skin. I know it looks lighter on the screen, but that is because of the lighting and all. So this is how I like to go with my concealer. Again, very controlled amount of portions, and you know this is everyone is doing and this actually works. I love applying a concealer with brush, especially the one that I want to actually show through and have the best coverage. Now this elegant concealer is suited for everybody, be it dry skin or oily. However, I'll not suggest this sugar concealer for everybody. I'll just say that if you have oily skin, this is going to work great for you. But I have dry skin and sometimes I do feel that it gets a little patchy. For my cream contour, honestly guys, this works so nicely. This is a Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. Again, everything will be mentioned down in the description box. So I use it, it works so nicely and it gives the best skin-like finish. So the technique here is to first tap the product and do not blend the product like all over your face. Just keep it to that particular portion. If you guys want me to do a particular dedicated video on how I contour and bronze my face, do let me know because I have few techniques that will help you guys to do it correctly. And you will see at the end of it that the whole look ties up really nicely. So now here I am using a bigger brush because I'm used to it. If you are not, then I'll definitely suggest you go with a smaller brush to contour your nose. So again, I'm going in with this cream blush and you will see that I'm applying this blush quite nicely, but you can't really make it out because I'm blending it so nicely with this brush. So I took a very denser brush. I'll also suggest you guys take a, yeah, that is the face I make when someone interrupts me while shooting. But anyway, so these are the places that I like my blush to be on my chin. Of course, my cheeks, I take it higher up. This compact powder is like 100 and something, like 100 and something, 170 rupees maybe, but it works so nicely. I love this compact powder. It's from Faces Canada. So I set my under eyes with a precise brush and I do not set my entire face, you will see. I just set around my mouth, under eyes and just like reverse contouring, as we say, just down the contours. Also I set my eyelids and I'll show you why I do this. Before that, I'll do my eyebrows. So I'm taking this Plume brush to do my eyebrows. It's a very nice one for the eyebrows specifically. I love this. I'm forgetting what it is called, but it's from Nykaa. It's a powder eyebrow thing trio. I love the shades and I love how it, makes my eyebrows look. So this is one affordable option that I will give you. If you want to see my most favorite brow combination, then you have to check my Instagram, because in there I have just uploaded how I like to do my eyebrows. You can see the difference that doing your eyebrows correctly makes. So right now I was actually not able to find my brow gel, so I'm using a dried up mascara. This works perfectly fine as well. You just have to like be very controlled with the amount you're using on your eyebrows, because obviously you don't want mascara groups on your eyebrows. But you can see how textured it looks. It looks very beautiful. I love this bronzer. So now you can see that I am actually putting bronzer on the parts that I did not powder. So bronzer, this is a powder bronzer, so anyway you are setting it, you don't need excess powder on your face, even if you have oily skin. Now I'm using this sugar highlighter stick. I was about to say contour stick, but sugar highlighter stick. I absolutely love this one. So this is a cream formula, but it is not too creamy, and this is why I like it, because you can use this on top of powders. As you can see, you can build it up to be blinding or to be very subtle, and I love the shade. It is just so beautiful. This is 01 and it just fits perfectly to my skin. I'm using my fingers to blend it, because the warmth of my fingers will blend the particles, the shimmers very nicely to my skin, and you can see the beautiful skin that I have made. I am kind of proud of this routine actually, because it just looks so natural. So this eye look I have not uploaded in this particular video. If you want to learn how to do it, you can go and check my Instagram out. I have mentioned the product details and everything, and right here I recognize that I am looking like the diet soda can, but I loved it. I also went ahead and popped some lashes. This lip combo again is in the same video that I have uploaded on Instagram. I loved how the lips turned out. They were literally looking so stunning. And yeah, that is the video, guys. I just loved how this turned out. I hope that I explained it right. If you want any particular step to be explained, and if you want to know any particular step like blush placement or contour or anything like that, leave it in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I make a particular video for that. And this is how I ended up looking. I loved the skin. It was glowy, but it was not oily, and it just turned out perfectly. And yeah, I'll see you guys with my next video. Till then, take care.